In this video, I will show you how to fix pending money and funds on Steam. Cancel pending transaction in Steam app. Open Steam and log into your account. Click on your profile icon and select account details. Go to view purchase history. Find the pending transaction in the list. Click on it, then select cancel my purchase. Repeat the process for any other pending transactions. Restart Steam and check if you can make another purchase without issues. If it doesn't help, then open your web browser and go to Steam's official website. Log into your account. Try purchasing the game directly from the website instead of Steam client. This method helps you bypass the pending transaction error that sometimes occur in the Steam app. If it also doesn't help, if you have sold an item on a Steam market, funds may be held for security reasons. This security feature prevents hijacked account from being drained immediately. Funds may be held for a few hours or even days, depending on Steam's system. Unfortunately, there is no way to bypass this hold, and you'll need to wait until the funds are released. If the above methods don't work, contact Steam support for further assistance. Open Steam and click on Help in the top left corner. Select Steam support, choose the relevant issue and submit a request. Steam support may take some time to respond, but they will help resolve your transaction issues. That's it. This method should help you fix pending funds or purchase issues on Steam. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.